Team Doraemon versus Team Buyak. Team Doraemon versus Team Super Buyak. Team Doraemon versus Team Super Buyak. Super Buyak from Bohol, Doraemon from Bunawan. Wala nakaikot yung Super Buyak. Mahabol ang Team Doraemon. Nanguna pa rin yung Super Buyak, pero magkadikit lang sila. Yung Super Buyak sa Doraemon. Una nakaikot yung Team Super Buyak. Powered by Overtime. Doraemon powered by Overtime pa rin. Nanguna yung Super Buyak, sumahabol yung Team Doraemon. Sumahabol yung Team Doraemon, backpack Team Doraemon. Nanguna kayo yung Team Doraemon. Uy, pantay lang, pantay. Nanguna yung Team Buyak. Pantay na yung agwat. Una na kaikot ang Team Buyak. Wala na, hula na kaulit. Ikot yung Team Buyak. Nanguna na yung Team Buyak. Sumahabol yung Team Doraemon, backpack Team Doraemon, backpack. Winner ang Team Buyak. Super Buyak, powered by Overtime. Congratulations Team Super Buyak ng Bohol.